everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will be discussing about the restricted categories in Odoo's 17 point of sale. So this is a feature that is used for the inventory management. So by limiting the categories that displayed on the screen will surely help the cashiers to find the product easily during checkout process. And this also helps from the out of stock item hiding from the screen and also prevent from the accidental sale. And this also helps in giving training for the new staffs on a set of products only. So let's see, how can we manage the restricted categories in Odoo 17 point of sale? So for that, first we need to just enable this feature from the configuration settings. Now let's check the functionality. My company Chicago has different categories of the product, but here the customer has ordered for drinks and foods only right now. So the cashier would always restrict the categories that to be displayed in the POS screen. So this would allow the cashier to get or access these products easily from the POS. So here you can see that the restricted categories are drinks and food. So this category only will be available in the POS screen. So once we have just set this, you can just move on to the dashboard and we can just open the session. So as you just open the session here, you would be able to find the foods and drinks as the categories because we have restricted such wise. And you can just choose the products over here such as bacon burger, burger cheese and Coca-Cola and lunch makki is the order that is given by the customer. So the customer is Edison and she is waiting for the product and they just need to make the payment using the payment method as cash, and here she also requires the invoice and let's validate the process. So the restricted categories enables to manage with the product displayed on with a certain category, so that makes the cashier to easily access the product from a certain categories. So I hope this video clarifies how to manage the restricted categories in Odoo 17 point of sale. So if you want Odoo customizations or Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.